Hi guys, I am Isa. Today we're going to learn how to create a company database using SQL. Anyways, so first we're going to create a new, database. So you're going to write create database. We're just going to call it T. For some reason, now to run the file using the SQL console, we're going to just write source, then write the file, which is pog.sql. Anyways, now I've created a database, so now let's use database. Our database is called T, so we're just gonna write use T up here. Anyways, if you write show tables, it's gonna show nothing, cause there are no tables. So to create a table, I'm gonna write create table. Well, let's just call it employees. Anyways, so first we're gonna have the ID, emp ID int. It's gonna be integer, it's gonna be the primary key. Anyways, we're also going to have the name, which is going to be varchar. The maximum number of characters in there will be 40. And we're gonna have the gender, which is gonna be varchar with the maximum characters of 1. It could either be M or F, or never mind. Anyways, we're also gonna add, a salary or something, varchar. And wait, no, actually the salary is gonna be an integer. And we're also gonna have the branch ID, which is gonna be an integer. Alright, so now let's run our script. Oops. Let's run our script and bam, we've got our table. We've got our list of tables. Oops, I meant show tables. You're getting these wrong. It says employees. So now we can write describe employees. Emp ID, name, gender, salary, branch ID. You can see all these, see whether it's no or not, priority, default, extra, all that stuff. Anyways, let's add some stuff in this table. Okay. Insert into employees values. And alright, so first we need to put the emp ID. So it's gonna be 1 because it's the first one. Name, well, it's pretty obvious what the name's gonna be. Gender, salary, and the branch ID. The branch ID. Yeah. Well. Okay, no. Let's insert the employees later because we have to create the branch table. Create table branch. Oops. Create table branch. First, we're gonna have the branch ID. It's gonna be integer. It's gonna be the primary key. Next, we're gonna have the branch name, which is gonna be a varchar, of course, 40. And then we're gonna have the branch MNG. If that's the best way to spell manager, I guess. MGR, yeah, MGR. It's gonna be another varchar. Or instead, we just I don't know, make it an integer. Let's say different branch MGR. Okay, yeah, good enough. So now let's run it. Let's run the file. And bam, so now if we show our tables, we have branch and employees. Anyway, so now let's add the branches first. Or maybe I don't know, just add icing first. So the branch ID, I'm just playing out the table. So the branch ID here is going to be 1. No, 401 because that sounds better. It's going to be in the first branch. 2. Yeah, don't have any names. So salary will be like, let's say 750. gonna be working in branch 401 as well. Number 3. Hussies I don't have. And his salary is 900. 402. Yeah, let's just keep doing that. And the last one. Okay, actually, maybe not the last one. Great, I'm finally done. Anyways. That was after that. I think I'm just going to just go run the file to see what changes have been made. So let's prompt that SQL. Oh yeah, the semicolons. 000, I guess. So now everything has happened clearly. The branch of 404. So I'm just gonna say insert into branches. Yeah, is that its name? No, it's just branch for some reason. Don't know why I did that. Insert into branch values. First we need the branch ID. We need the name of the branch. And then after the name of the branch, we're probably gonna need the ID of the man that's doing the hits. Alright, so let's say let's describe employees. Alright, so oops, I wanted to say select everything from employees. Alright, so let's say what is this? Let's just I don't know, put some weird names. Anyways, so now let's make the ID of the you know manager. Here's gonna be 1. Here's gonna be 4. Here's gonna be 3. Here's gonna be 6. So now let's do this. Yeah, I don't want to have the 400s. Yeah, I shouldn't have done that. Anyways, so now let's just run pong.sql. No, right. Select everything from employees. You can also select everything from what was the name of the housing thing? Branches. Should just name it branch, but whatever. Branch. Oh yeah, branch. Should name it branches. Anyways, here's all the employees, and there's their genders, their salaries, their branch IDs, their emp IDs. And here are the branch IDs, names, and managers. I don't know how to make such a great table. Anyways, we're also gonna go with some what do you call them? Queries that you could use. For example, so let's just start with a simple select everything from employees. Semicolon. It's gonna do what you expect. Let's write order by name. Let's go order by name. Well, they're already ordered by name anyways. I order them by gender. The F's are gonna come first and then the M. I can write DSC to make it to order by gender descending, so the M's then the F's. We also order by salary. As you can see, the salary. Yeah, these are two has the least salaries, that 5 has the most. Anyways, if I order by the branch ID, it's gonna do this. But if they have the same branch ID, I'm gonna order them by the name descending. So yeah, it's gonna kind of complicated and useless as well. But I mean, we're still doing it because the. Anyways, so let's say I want to order by say where name is Isa. Where name equals Isa. As you can see, it's only gonna show one. Anyways, so let's just write. It's just returning back to order by salary. It's going to do that. If I select all the name employees, it's gonna show all the names but still ordered by their salary. If I order by the branch, oops, no, select branch ID for employees order by salary. You can clearly see that you can see what you can see. Anyways, so let's say gender order by salary. I'm MM. So let's just start everything again. So let's do the same as the branches. Never mind. So if you say order by salary, where branch ID is equal to 404. Oh yeah, right. The semicolon. Oh wait, no, we don't need it here. We just need to fix this code. What do I'm just gonna take this over here. Yeah, it worked. These are 6 and these are 5. We're both in bridge 404. It's going to order them by salary. Descending. Anyways, I'm gonna say what's the branches. Branches. If I'm correct. I can't order by salary here because, oh yeah, I forgot the table is just called branch. So if I order by branch name, I'm just gonna order by branch name. If I order by branch MGR, by manual 1346. Oh wait, actually I don't think I got that right. But anyways, that's gonna be the end of today's tutorial. If you enjoyed, leave a like and subscribe. So bye.